Hi, my name is Sam. Welcome to the Hangar. Today we're going to give you some quick tips on how to laminate foam board with one of our skins. First thing we're going to do is we're going to gather our supplies. What we're going to need is a piece of foam board. Right here what I have is just a regular Dollar Tree Adams white piece of foam board. You can tell it's a little bit warped. That's okay, because once we start folding it into one of our airplanes, all the warpage will come right out. The second thing you're going to need is a spray bottle. It's just going to be for water. As most of you know, if you've ever tried to laminate foam board, when you delaminate the paper that comes on the foam board, typically it doesn't come off all clean or in one piece. Well, here at the Hangar, we found a method that allows us to perfectly delaminate the foam board so you can apply your laminate skin back on. Sometimes you get something like that and it doesn't peel off cleanly, okay? This one actually happens to be coming off quite nicely, but then you have multiple strips that you can't get off. The inherent problem with that is you don't get a clean peel. We've developed this way with water to get you a clean peel before you laminate your Hangar skin back onto the foam board. The first step we're going to do is we're going to peel the sticker off the foam board. If we don't do this, then you're not going to get a clean spray and the water's not going to cover the entire surface of the foam board. We'll peel that sticker off. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our spray bottle and we're just going to wet down this whole surface of the foam board. Don't worry about having too much on there. Just take it and be generous with it. Because if you're not generous with it, if you don't put enough on there, it's not going to delaminate the way you want it. So I spray this down. Then what I like to do is I like to rub my hand all over the foam board just to make sure it penetrates that paper. Some of you may worry about it curling the foam board. Yeah, it's going to curl the foam board a little bit. When you put your Hangar skin back on it and you build your plane, it'll straighten back out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to peel the paper off of the foam itself. You're going to start with one corner, and you can even roll your fingers like this, and that helps you peel it up from the corner so you don't damage the foam itself. I just work my way along the top, all the way along. And if it doesn't come up cleanly, just remember you haven't put enough water on there. Once you get enough water on there, it'll come up cleanly. And once you've got that edge, that leading edge up, you can just pull the paper back and it should come off in one nice, clean pull. Once you've got the paper peeled cleanly off the foam, you're ready to put your Hangar skin on the foam. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip in preparing your foam to receive one of our Hangar skins. We'll put links in the description for other quick tips, including how to actually apply the skin to this delaminated foam board. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get all the latest updates from the Hangar. Head on over to thehangarrc.com so you can check out all our other videos and all our great content, including our quick kits for our airplanes. Thanks for watching, my friend.